This is Haley's new favorite food. She loves carrots because they're nice and cold on her poor, sore little gums. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did you drop your carrot? Uh-oh. 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 Where'd the carrot go? Haley likes to drop things on purpose. Do you want a bottle? You want to drink the bottle or you just want to play with the bottle? Do you want some? You want some? No. That's a solid no. Where's your carrot? Did your carrot fall? Uh-oh. 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 Yeah, I think you did that on purpose. And now she wants it back. What do you think? Should we give it to her? Clean it off? Put her out of her misery? Okay. Say bye-bye. 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 No, you don't want to wave? Okay. Goodbye.